He's gonna be a rocker.
But this is gonna get remind me of
He's got peace earrings. Please stop it, listen. And then here's his big tongue.
I'll work out with you.
He has a bit right here. What do you know?
It's a big bump in his nose.
Please stop it. Please have his nose, Alexa.
Wait.
Oh, okay. So we have the Austin Sean Run. Okay, okay. We have the Austin Sean Run nose. The Robbie Garcia eyes. The Mike videos. The Mike Vitesic body. Wait. Austin. Robbie.
Did you get that?
Tyler. Mike's body.
Hey, whose lips, Olivia? You would know.
Oh my God.
You would know whose lips.
He has they're my lips. Oh yeah. Little lips.
You zoom up on the
we're not doing with the boots
on him. No, not boots.
No, listen, guys, listen, this is not cool. Okay, this
Erase that.
Misty, is your boyfriend cheating on you? You have a black boyfriend. Someone give me a black marker. He's black. Oh, listen, if this goes on my face, I apologize for everything I did here. I love you, Robbie. I love you, Mike. I love you, Tyler.
And we hate Jewish people.
Austin, I hate you, okay? But you know what? Like, it's okay. Jake, we hate you.
Shout out
to my home